Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily update your Scrabble Go application on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right away. In order to run the application smooth on your preferred devices, you will need to make sure to update the application now and then. Since the update comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, it is crucial to keep updating the application. Go ahead and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and then go to the search box at the top and type in Scrabble Go in order to check if there is an update available for your Scrabble Go application. Go ahead and tap on the application to open it up, and if there is a latest release for the application available yet to be downloaded, you will be able to see the update button. Simply tap on it in order to get the latest release for your Scrabble Go application installed on your device. Wait until the application is downloaded, and once it is, you will be able to use the latest update for your Scrabble Go application on your preferred mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.